welcome to this first video with the voiceover. I'm a bit shy, but I thought it's gonna be a little bit faster if I make this vocal introduction. So I'm pretty new to filmmaking, but I wanted to give it a go and film a little bit better video that I can put on YouTube. And I thought it's a very nice opportunity because I am participating in a Redraw challenge. So I took the challenge by Jackie, whom I absolutely adore. I love her profile. And luckily for me, she invited to redraw her witch, this one. So I thought I have to do this. So the way I started, I took my very ordinary sketchbook. That's the one. But as you can see, this is where I start off with all the ideas, and I even test colors here. That's the last interior illustration that I've done. Same color testing. So yeah, I thought that for this redraw challenge, well, we're supposed to do it in our own style, and I draw lots of yoga related pictures because I'm also a yoga teacher. So I thought the first picture, the first sketch will be the witch, but as a yogi. So I started with drawing with a very light pencil, colored pencil, red or pink, anything would do. Then with an ordinary pencil, HB. You can probably see a little bit here. And then I took a fine liner, a little bit thicker though, 0.5, and I did those outlines. And the next step will be to trace this sketch onto watercolor paper. So I hope you stay with me and watch the rest of the process. This is Mika, she always accompanies me whenever I paint. So I wanted to briefly explain what I'm doing now. The next step will be to, after this light tracing onto watercolor paper, still with a colored pencil, I'm using the Prismacolor Veritin pencil. Very nice color. The next step is to refine the lines with a liner pen, and most frequently I'm using a micron liner. So for example here, see this beautiful sienna color, but very often in the last paintings I've been using the Copic multiliner in color wine. It's very cool. And I'm gonna proceed till I'm done with the outline now. Welcome back. So this is our heroine. The sketch is ready, and now I proceed to choose the colors. I have a lot of watercolor paints. You'll see I have Schminke and White Nights. I have a lot of Ecoline watercolors. So in order to keep some order, I did some color swatches. First I cut them out, and it's really super useful. You can mix and match them. And then it got more and more, and I started losing the overview. So this week I actually made even more order into the color swatches, and I painted them onto just a big sheet of paper so I can really keep track what colors I have. So for example, in choosing the colors, I knew she has to have violet hair, and voila, I was able to quickly check what violets I have and to make some decisions, which paints to choose, and then to guess a little bit like what kind of colors I'd like for her clothes. And when I was ready, I was able to put those colors next to each other because they're cut out, to see if it looks okay. So this is more or less how I proceed with every painting I do. I think I saw it for the first time in Shia's video. I hope I pronounced her name correct. I can put the link to her profile in the description below. And since I started doing that, it's been a lifesaver. I was really, have a look here, I was really able to make better decisions about colors. For example, this one. Those are the most recent ones.
To keep me happy and keep me happy when I sing. It'll lead me back to you. And to keep me happy and keep me happy when I sing. It'll lead me back to you. Too far, too far, I'm falling, I'm falling. 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 Too far, too far, I'm falling, I'm falling.
I hope you liked this first video with the voiceover. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in any particular topic that I should tackle next time. I got a question on Instagram about how I color my skin, so I'm pretty sure the next video will be about that. But otherwise, I post all the pictures and I'm a little bit more active on Instagram. Everything is in the description below, so I hope you follow me or even like that video, and stay tuned for more better films. Thank you for your patience again.